Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to make PowerPoint presentation on a given topic. Let us consider the topic Fundamental of Computers. We can get information related to computer using books or internet. After collecting all the information, we should make key points. Let's start creating presentation. We will open the software Microsoft PowerPoint. For this, click on Start button. Write PowerPoint on search box. Microsoft PowerPoint application will appear in the menu. Click on it. The PowerPoint window will be opened. By default, there will be a slide in which we can add title, means topic of our presentation. So I'm typing Fundamental of Computers in the box. We can make our slide colorful. We will go to Design tab and select any design. We can also change the color of the slide using color option. Now click on Home tab. We are going to increase font size and decrease font size using these options. You can see on the screen, increase font size option is there and decrease font size option is there, by which we can increase or decrease the font size. Now we will learn how to add a new slide. Click on New Slide option and select Appropriate Layout. I am selecting the title and content, in which first placeholder will be there for adding the heading. So I am going to add the heading Definition of Computer. When we are creating a file, we should save it for future use. For saving file, click on File menu and then Save option. It will ask you for name of file and location where you want to save a file. I am selecting desktop as a location and file name is already Fundamental of Computers. So if you don't want to change the file name, click on Save button. After making any changes in presentation, save it immediately using Save option, so that whatever changes you are making in your file, it will be saved. So here I am writing the definition of computer in key points, then I will use Save option. Or you can press shortcut key Ctrl+S to save the file anytime. Once you have saved the file, you can close the application by clicking on Close button, which is on title bar. Now if I want to open my file again, type its name in search bar or go to location where you have saved it. I have saved it on my desktop, so I'll go to desktop and I will double click on my file icon. It will open. We can add text in the second slide now. We should write information in form of points, which we are going to explain to our audience. We will use bullets and numberings for writing key points. So here, instead of writing computer is an electronic device, I will write only the main point, that is an electronic device. And when I will explain my presentation, when I will give the presentation, I will speak the whole sentence. Computer is an electronic device. Next point which I am going to write is takes input from the user by using input device. Next point, processes the input by using processor. Next, third point is it gives output after processing using output device. So for writing these key points, you can see that I have added bullets. How to change the bullet type? Like by default it is circle. I can change the bullet type and color of the bullet. So for that, we will go to option bullet and numbering, click on it, click on bullet and numbering, and here we will get the option to select the bullet and change the color. So I have selected the arrow and I have set the color as red. Click on OK. So you can see the bullets has been changed. Similarly, we can change the font color, font size, font style from the font group. We can make the text bold, italic, underline by using all these options. We can change the case of the words by using this change case option. I am going to show it how we can change the case of the word. Like I have written all the letters in small, so if I want to make them in capital letters, so I will use uppercase option. Similarly, if I want all the letters of the word in small, then I will use lowercase option. So you can try all the options yourself and you can see the difference. Now after making all the changes, we can check how slides will look like when you will play it for your audience using slideshow option. For this, go to slideshow tab, click on from beginning. So this is the preview of your slideshow. We cannot edit slides in slideshow view. For coming out of this view, click on escape key. We are back in normal view. Now we can make changes if we want. Remaining features of PowerPoint we will learn in our next video. Thank you for watching.